Hi, and welcome to Southern Union State Community College's Assessment Center. We're happy to have you here with us today. If you're taking the Accuplacer, the GED, or any of the other wide variety of tests that we offer, this video will be a short guide that lets you know where to go and what to expect. We are located in the Business Technology Center, also known as the BTC. You can park in either of the lots in front of our building. When you enter the building, the Assessment Center is straight ahead. Enter, scan the QR code, and come on in. Sign in, show your photo ID, and complete any required paperwork for your test. Some tests require us to take a photo of you before entering. Taking a break between tests? The snack machines are on the left side of the hall, and the bathrooms are down the right side. Here are some helpful tips for testing day.